Okay, hello everybody. Today we're gonna be unboxing Mr. Coffee. I mean Keurig coffee machine. How do they package this in? I literally can't stab through the box. I don't. No. No, never mind. I was cutting up the instruction manual. Oh, look at that. Oh, she's a beauty. Oh, look at the cute little coffee pot. Help. Sorry guys, it was just an Amber alert. Quit naming your kids Amber if you don't want him to get kidnapped. Look at that. Really great unboxing experience. Really just a beautiful unboxing experience actually. So you just take this and you just snuggle it in right there. Open this up, and that's where you put the coffee. Really perfect. Oh look, the little cord comes out. Oh, go back in. I don't need you. Well, there was the unboxing. Let's get it outside and let's do a drop test, huh?
Want some cigarettes?